Alright, hi everyone, so welcome back. Today we got another unboxing, another thing. We have this stuff. This is camera, so this is Canon PowerShot G12. So maybe anyone that heard about this Canon, maybe this is gonna be surprisingly so good. So just stir it up. Okay, and here we have some. The packaging is good. The packaging is good. There are two things in here. Alright. So we had this thing. The packaging is quite good. Still another uh, another set got things in here. I guess it's also, I don't know how this thing works. Wait. Okay, can be up in here. What? This is so annoying, but this is for safety, I guess. So here it is. All right. So this in here we have the camera, and we got the pouch in here. Canon is from Canon. So let's unbox in here. Oh, this is the charger. So I bought this second Tokopedia on Tokopedia, and the price is quite cheap. It's standard, but it's good. So let's see the camera in here. Ta-da! So this is it. This is the box of PowerShot G12. The box still good. The condition still pretty amazing, I guess. There's just instruction. Let's just see what's in the box. Oh, another paper wrap. This is good. Which is good. The camera is safe, I guess. See. Oh wow, looks so stunning. So this is the camera. This is pretty amazing, I guess. I'm pretty amazed about this condition. It's still good. There's no scratch something. Just a little base. This is just the scratch and basil, I guess. But in the back, it's still quite good. You can see, and like the peel of this material is still like the new one, because this material, like so sharp, but it's not quite as sharp. Still good. Okay, I like it. Let's see, in another box we get the battery. So in here we got the battery here, and we get this strap one. We got the USB cable, still good, and also the TV output, I guess, and the instruction manual book, like the first hand, I don't know, like I want to know. So as in the advertise, they give me the free memory, so I think the memory is still, I guess, in here. Oh, yep. So I got the memory here. It's SanDisk 8 GB. Let's just try the camera. Okay, it's good. Like, so if you see the first boot in here, PowerShot, we can tilt like this. Oh, okay, the quality is still good. There's no blank spot or like the dead pixel or something. It's pretty amazing. So I think this is good for iOS. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next unboxing. See you.